Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to download voice messages on Discord. As you can see, we are currently on Discord, and let's say I want to download a voice message I just sent. To do this, we will first open the inspect tool by pressing Ctrl Shift I on your keyboard. This will open the inspect element panel on your browser. If the shortcut doesn't work for you, you can also manually access the developer tool from your browser setting. Once that is open, press Ctrl F to bring up the search bar. Then type voicemessage.ogg and hit enter. You should see highlighted link in the code. Next, double-click the URL of the voice message to select it. Copy it with Ctrl+C and then paste it into a new browser tab. Press enter and the voice message should start downloading automatically. Once downloaded, you can open and play the voice message directly. It's a simple and straightforward process. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, goodbye.